The self-imposed Citizen Coalition for Change CCC Interim Secretary General Tshabangu has openly told legislators aligned to him that he has secured a deal guaranteeing their continued stay in Parliament beyond 2028 and a proposed government of national unity. Sanapena mashoko anona kuti Tshabangu panguva ino wachirivila is selling out deal aiwa panguva ino in push kuri GNU vasubscribe wala ikota on the bell icon. Timna mzimu mubudani kwa mjinsi Tshabangu made the remarks during a caucus meeting with the 20 MPs and senators loyal to him at Parliament yesterday. His revelations have reignited accusations that he is acting in concert with the ZANU-PF to undermine the main opposition and neutralize its electoral gains. In a competing meeting held on the same day, TSHABANGU faction leader James Mutimba addressed 45 TSHABANGU MPs and senators in Harare, signaling deepening divisions within the opposition party. A statement issued by Tshabangu's faction declared, the party leadership reiterated the importance of constructive engagement with the government and key stakeholders to contribute meaningfully to national economic recovery and the long-term development extending beyond 2028. The caucus reaffirmed the party's commitment to a genuine national dialogue process that will pave way for an inclusive government of national unity to stabilize the country and reset the democratic agenda. Critics argue that Tshabangu's actions, since controversially recalling dozens of MPs, have consistently served the interests of the ruling party. His recall letters were readily accepted by the Speaker of Parliament, Jacob Mutenda, a ZANU-PF Politburo member, despite legal and constitutional challenges. This enabled ZANU-PF to regain ground through by-elections and effectively dismantled CCC parliamentary majority. Observers warned that any GNU formed without a legitimate electoral mandate risks entrenching authoritarianism under the guise of national unity, while sidelining citizens' democratic will expressed at the ballot box. This GNU yanasenso Tshabangu inoona kwanzi inoleka ma-electoral mandate panguva ino aiwa ichariska ma-citizens zvakanyanyisa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section menu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.